Assalamu alaikum. The topic of this video is number pattern. Normally in this topic, students face the problem in making the nth term or nth formula. So in this one, I divide this topic in two parts. The first part is where the sequences are universal type of sequences. For example, the natural numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, these types of number. For such sequences, the sequences are given there and you have to memorize these nth term. For example, if the sequence is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on, so the general formula for that sequence must be the n square. So this is the sequence of squares number. So the other sequences are also given and you have to memorize these formula. But these sequences can be modified. For example, the sequence of natural number is given. So the general formula will be n. But if two terms, the initial two terms are not given in the natural numbers and it starts from 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So the general formula will be changed to n plus 2 because two terms, the initial two terms are missing, so we add plus 2 in compensation. For example, the natural numbers are not starting from 1, it is starting from -1, then it's means the addition of two terms will be compensated by subtracting 2. So the general formula will be n minus 2. Same thing can be done with square number or even number. You can see these in the video. The second type of sequences are those sequences in which the difference between the terms are fixed. For example, 2, 5, 8, 11. In this sequence, the difference between the terms is fixed, which is 3. Normally, this type of sequences are solved by using the formula a plus n minus 1 times t. In this one, a represents the first term of the sequence, d represents the difference between the term, and n will be n. So in the given example, for example 2, 5, 8 and 11, the first term 2 will be a, the difference between the terms, which is 3, will be d. So the general formula for this sequence will be 2 plus n minus 1 times 3, and that formula will be simplified to get the simplified nth form of the sequence. Now we can practice one question, and that will be summer 2012 paper 1, question number 19. In this one, a chart of 3 rows is given. In the first row, a diagram numbers are given. In the second row, number of white counters are given, and in the third row, number of black counters are given. The diagram numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and white counters are 1, 4, 9, 16. So we can clearly see that these are the squares number. So next two numbers in this row will be 25 and 36. Now the third one is 0, 2, 6 and 12. So third row is basically the sum sorry, not sum, the basically the difference of first two terms, first two rows. So in the first number it is 1 minus 1 0, and in the second number it is 4 minus 2 2. And when you are going to find out the nth formula, so for the first row where the diagram numbers are given, the nth formula will be n, and for the second number of white counters, the nth formula will be n square, and for the number of black counters, which is actually the difference of first two rows, will be n square minus n. Now you should try some more questions and then practice, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and comments below. Thank you.